Guys, new day, new exercise. So today we will be working on another calendar and dates exercise. I've already downloaded the file. You can go and download. So this is the file. Oh, there are a lot of tables in this file. Great. It's showing that open this. Okay, track. This is the track table. Yep. In the folder shown above in the report, we have disabled the automatic calendar feature. Okay, import the show calendar. Okay, so I have to import one Excel sheet, which is this show calendar. I will import this. I will load it until it get loaded. Then mark the newly imported table as the date table using the date column as the key. Okay, so we had show calendar this. Mark it as the date table. Yes, choose date key. Okay, till here we are done. Great. Set the default summarization of any number column in the table as don't summarize. Okay, number table, right? So sum, don't summarize. Month, don't summarize. And week number, don't summarize. And year, don't summarize, right? Okay. Change the sort by setting of the columns shown in the table below. This is month by month number, weekday by week number of this calendar, show calendar, I think. So, show calendar, I will filter this month, sort by month number, right? And like this. So, click here and then weekday by week number, right? So this is done. Now what's next? Create a hierarchy starting with decade column. Okay. I think I will make this create a hierarchy with decade and then add year, quarter, month, day, right? And then I will add year. And if I mark it as this, add it to the decade hierarchy. No, 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 not this. Remove. If I click delete from model, then it should like also delete this above. No, no. So after decade, I will put add to hierarchy the year, then the month, Then quarter, I guess. Month, quarter, or how it is. Year, quarter, month, and day. Right? Quarter should be above month. So like this I've added. Change the visibility of the columns in the table according to the diagram shown below. So I need to hide these days, weeks, month. Okay. I'll leave it. This is not that much important. Create a relationship between show calendar and show date. So show show date and date. Save. So relationship is done. Use your new calendar table to create the following chart. New calendar table, which is the show calendar. So I will add this chart, which is called as clustered column chart, and I will add year, or is it decade? Count of year. Count shows by year and COVID era. So from decade, I will select year, and then from measures, I will select this one, right? So this one, till 2020, we have the data. And now we need to add COVID era. COVID, COVID era in the legends, so that we must have something. So, yep, this is how the charts is looking, which is similar to this, right? Yeah. Now we will add some show revenue by year COVID era. So I will just copy this and paste, and I will add revenue here from this. So revenue is also added. Now percentage of cancelled show. I will copy this, paste it here. So percentage of cancelled show, this. Everything is fine, right? Now it's doing that add a slicer visual which you can use to filter the charts weekdays. So it's simple. I can take this, and from the decade hierarchy, I can take the day. This I can remove. Day as in, oh, it's the date. I can take the weekday only, like this. So if I click on Monday, then for each of these it will show the date of Monday, then Tuesday, then Thursday, then Friday, right? Yep. So that's all. That's it, how you load the data and how you make the relationship and how you use the data to show the graphs. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.